Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. My name is your host, Tommy Cunningham. In today's YouTube video, what I would like to talk to you guys is the top 5 steps. If you guys would ever, and I mean ever, would like to make a radio scanner broadcast either at an airport and listen to the airport communication, or go look around at the different obstacles that make a airport different to listen to. So I hope you guys are ready, because I am. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell. And today's YouTube video is brought to you by RadioReference.com. RadioReference.com is your next stop for finding brilliant radio frequencies and brilliant times for making the best memories of doing radio scanners. Alright guys, that's it. Let's get started. So if I turn you guys around to my computer, so this right here is the Chicago OME system. So this has like all their airport communication. So like right here is Chicago O'Hare. So they have Chicago Police Dispatch all the way down to their bomb squad and K9. They got their fire dispatch all the way down to police admin and joint operations. So if we go on down a little bit more, we got like Chicago Midway. So we got Chicago Police Operations. We got the Chicago Fire Department. We got security. So we got a lot of stuff on here which you guys can listen to like while you guys are in the Chicago area. So this is the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys on today's YouTube. Now, yesterday, I showed you guys a little bit about the Bedford system, which sadly, what's different about that system is their radio scanner frequencies that they use, which I think is really different. So if I turn you guys back around to my computer so we can continue this, not with my picture. So if we look, we're right now looking at the Chicago O'Hare Airport radio frequencies, okay? Actually, what I might do is do that right there. So if I turn you guys around, we look on here on like the radio frequencies on here. So we see that they use the 470 millibytes. This is their operations radio frequency. So they use Boom 97. They use deliveries. They use Sanders. So that's pretty much the stuff that each airport listens to for like their maximum communication. So let's just do an example, okay? Let's just say you guys are flying on like the world's biggest aircraft, the Boeing 737 Dreamliner, okay? So the Boeing 77 Dreamliner has an upstairs and a downstairs. The upstairs is an airport by all means. On the aircraft, it's almost like a hotel on the upstairs. So there is like also on here. So if we go on down, like click on Chicago Midway again, So if I turn you guys around, so they got VHF primary, they got VHF secondary, they got tower, they got approach for the Class C airspace. See, they got clearance delivery, which one of these is the old one. They got the Class C airspace radar. They got Unicron, which a lot of these are really important for like an airport to use. So if we see like right here, so we got this one like DMR encrypted, we got AM, we got narrow FM. So we go on down to the Southwest Airlines. Now you guys gotta understand that Southwest Airlines is like one of their main operations there. So this is going to be like their maintenance, their operations, their Swissport, their T-Point operations. So like then after that, you guys got like Delta Communication, you guys got like Delta Connections, like Conair, Shuttle Air. So like then after that, you guys got like the Transportation Security Administration. You guys got these radio frequencies like right here. This one has partly encrypted. This one's a regular P25. This one is a regular P25. So you guys got quite a bit of different actions. So like right here, this is like their rent-a-car that they use there. They even got like Digitalk, which has the Midway area. So they got Wiki, which Wiki means. So you guys see like right here, this is the Marriott Chicago Midway place. So they got 461.4875. They got the parking spot. So like going. So here's like the airport site radio frequencies right here. So this one, Atlantic Aviation, which you see a lot of the stuff is on this Digitalk system. Like seriously, people, not a lot of people like using Digitalk. Now, I don't know what Digitalk is because I can't listen to it because I don't got an NXDN radio. Now I'm going to turn you guys back around to me. So, like, if you guys are ever taking, like, let's just say, going to like a new area, so like the area is called the so like the Bahamas. The Bahamas have like brand new stuff that you guys can go listen to, which I honestly think is really kind of interesting because I usually listen to that stuff like no matter what. Now, another thing that what I usually do, and this is a thing that what I usually do in like a single minute, is that I look on here on this radar reference and I see if that radio scanner frequency changed. So kind of like I seen that the old radio frequency for the Seminole Hard Rock Casino Hotel was used on like the construction radio frequencies because they were just building that. So like then after that you guys got like so much like different areas. So like the different areas you guys can listen to is like a broad band of stuff. So like let's just say for instance you guys are going to be listening to like the Hollywood this place, the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport for like whenever you guys fly in there. So if we go on back here, we see that they got a lot of radio scanner feeds on here. All right, so they got this Hertz Rent-A-Car. Now, this is all tied up on this system. So we see down here Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Now, please be advised that they got north ramp control. They got a lot of different stuff. They got south ramp control. They got north. They got tower. They got ground. They got departure. These are like all the aircrafts that go there, like American, Spirit, United, Air Transit, Frontier, Delta, JetBlue. So if we keep on going down, we got Alaska. We got Alaska Airlines ticket counter. We got American. So we got Caribbean Airlines. We got Delta. We got Southwest. Now look at all these Southwest ones. They got Southwest Baggage, Southwest Cargo, Southwest Customer Service, Operations, Processing. Wow. So like then after that, you guys got like Shelter, Communications. You guys got like this up here. These are the federal frequencies. You guys got like a fixed base operator. So you guys see all this stuff I'm talking about is off of that computer right there. So like a lot of these on here are like really good frequencies, like if you guys are ever looking around. So if I turn you guys back around to me, so there is like so much that you guys can go listen to like inside this area. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. Now today is a little bit too hot. Now I know it's not as hot as down there in Florida because I've seen Kyle Pilo's video, and he's inside a brand new area. Alright guys, that's it. Have a great day, YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow.